Hello friends, how are you today? We are still on the beginning sounds, and today I have a question for my friends. Are you ready? Okay, we have a picture of a dog. Can you see a picture of a dog? Okay, my friends, you are going to tell me the beginning sound of a dog. Are you ready? Okay, let's go to the options. Option 1, we have A. Is the beginning sound of a dog A? No. Let's go to the next option. We have K. Is the beginning sound of a dog K? It can't be. Okay, you're right, children. Now let's go to the last option. And we have D. Is the beginning sound of a dog D? Correct. The beginning sound of a dog is D. Thank you so much. Now, clap for yourselves. You've done well.